class, and welcome to week 14 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, we will be continuing with the great essay, Cultural Icons. For this week, you'll be working on a thesis statement that you'll compose for your essay, which is coming up due. But before that, we will work on going over this great essay. So here's the prompt. Use Chuck Klosterman's article. His article, of course, was Which Rock Star Will Historians of the Future Remember? As a guide, use this article as a guide to explore any form of artistic expression. Choose a popular artist in any genre you enjoy, whether it be a form of music, film, literature, fashion, technology, or other area of creative innovation. You will create a thesis that argues for the enduring popularity of his or her work. You'll analyze this person's career. What have they contributed? Why is it valuable? Apply Klosterman's concepts to your analysis and argue in favor of the enduring importance of this person's work. Why will people of the future remember this individual as representative of an entire genre of creativity? Explain why the artist of your choosing is the, quote, John Phillips Sousa of his or her genre, like the way Klosterman argues that Sousa represents all form of marching band music and Bob Marley represents all form of reggae. Of course, you may choose any genre, could be literature, music, cinema, print media, fashion, visual art, technology. Any of those may work. There's some essential questions that you may focus on. You do not have to focus on all of them. You may focus on one or focus on another type of essential question as you wish. Your audience, of course, is your instructor and other members of the class, representative members of this adult academic community. The length of your essay is about 4 to 6 pages, double-spaced, typed in Verdana font, size 12, and also include a works cited page. The works cited page does not count as the 4 to 6 pages of typed text. Please make sure to cite any sources that you refer to in your essay and use MLA style in-text citation and an MLA works cited page. You must include at least 5 different sources. Although the prompt says only use CCBC Libraries databases, I will allow you to use other sources as long as they're reputable. So newspapers like the Huffington Post, the New York Times, the Daily News, the Baltimore Sun, the Atlantic, any of those kinds of resources would also work. But please remember to cite them as well. So that's the assignment. You're going to argue for why your chosen cultural icon will be remembered 300 years from now or more. When you're finished looking at the article, I'd like to focus your attention to your assignments page. And you will be composing a great thesis statement. And it's just going to be one sentence that you will type in the assignments page of your argument of your cultural icon. So it's a very, very strong statement as to why this person will endure 300 years or more. Why is this person so important? Why are this person's contributions so incredibly important that they'll last over 300 years? I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.